Namaste, ma'am. How are you doing today? How's your
Fine. I'm fine.
So, how did your day start? You explored all the Periscope projects today?
Yes, in each room I have visited and explored very well. And I was particular in seeing all the subject. And it was very nice visiting all the rooms.
Was there like one room which you liked the most out of all?
It's a very tough question because each room where and each subject was had a different idea and different perspective.
Yes.
So it was very difficult to answer your question
Yeah, it's
because we can't make a judgment about
a
one subject.
selection. Yeah, it's fine. Nice answer. Then you like the way the projects and everything was presented?
Yes, it was very evaluatively presented with a pictorial method,
Yes.
and the kids were explaining each and every pictures in a very well mannered, and they have tried hard,
Yes.
and it was a best way of presentation.
So you liked it a lot.
Yes.
Okay, so should we go on to a rapid round now? We'll ask you a few
Yes.
questions. Sure. So generally, would you like to be speaking or listening?
Both.
No one.
But first we should listen it. When we feel is okay, we'll have to speak it out. Speaking is also important because when we are listening the others' viewpoint and others' idea. So as per the perspective, we should also have the right to speak, and we
Yes.
should also keep our point there.
Yes, ma'am. So would you like books or just projects making it pictorial?
Both, because books are kept for reference,
Yeah.
and by doing pictorial, we are just putting our imaginations here.
Into the project.
Yes, project.
So you liked it here? It was nice?
Yes, it was nice.
So when you were, did you get like any memories from when you were young looking at the Periscope?
We didn't had like this opportunity, and at that time parents were also not involved in all the activities of the schools, and we were not having such type of explorations. Here both kids and teachers, kids and parents are involved in it. So this we can say it is a teamwork.
Yes, ma'am. So you liked it.
Yes.
What was your favorite memory in this whole thing? The way people presented it, or the projects, or anything?
Everything is memory, especially the art room.
Huh.
And rest is also a memory because it makes you summarize what as a parent also I can summarize what I have taught to my kid,
Yes.
and what my kid has learned from this.
Yes, ma'am. So generally, would you like maths, like subject-wise, or extracurriculars, like art or something?
Look, you have told me a very big subject. Till now I am also afraid of maths,
Okay.
and but all the activities are good if you take it all the activities in a very similar way or in a very line way.
Yes.
Matlab my sing is in a very similar line, so that will be helping you a lot.
Yes. Okay, thank you very much for
Thank
your
you very
valuable insights. Thank you a lot.
Thank you very much.